Okay, what did I get? This is packed. Oh my god, she goes down. Oh, you're in for a treat, girl. Hey cuties! So today I'm going to be doing a Shein haul. Shein haul. I know a lot of you guys like my Shein haul videos. Some people don't, some people do. So if you want to watch this, watch it. If you don't want to watch it, go to another video, girl. But Shein sent me some items and I'm so happy to be partnering with them again. So thank you so much to Shein for sponsoring this video and sending me a big box of clothes and for giving me a video idea to do. I am so excited! And with my recent weight loss, I'm very excited to see how these items fit. I just want to say at the starting of this, before I open this, that a lot of people mispronounce Shein. I feel like some people say Sheen or something like that. It's Shein. Shein. Me becoming a pronunciation teacher, it's Shein. And if you don't know what Shein is, basically they are a website with very affordable and accessible products. They have tons of different categories from home to clothing, makeup, pets, jewelry, kids, home goods, stuff for your bathroom, stuff for your kitchen, literally everything under the sun. And for a very affordable prices. And I wear Shein clothes a lot. This right here, this little outfit right here is from Shein as well. A lot of my clothes, especially when you guys ask me like, where'd you get that? It's most of the time from Shein. And I have a new coupon code, you guys. Some of you guys said to me that my coupon code wasn't working, so I have a new one and it works. And it's PiinkS66 for 15% off right here. So if you guys want some extra money off of already ridiculously cheap items for summer, for the end of summer, we're almost coming into fall here. If you want to restock your wardrobe, if you've done some wardrobe cleanouts or need some essentials, or just want to go shop around, you can use my coupon code if you want. Okay, let's get this open, girl. I also, like, from an influencer standpoint, Jesus, they allow me to speak very open and freely about what I'm doing. Like, if I don't like a shirt, or if it doesn't fit me right, or if it's see-through or something, then I am able to be like, oh, I don't like this. You know what I mean? I love that Shein just lets me be my authentic self. If I like something, I'm gonna let you know. And if I don't like it, I'm gonna let you know. A paycheck doesn't sway my decision into telling you guys something's good when it's not. You know what I mean? So let's get right into business here. Let's get down to business. And I'm gonna share with you guys all the prices as well, and also all of these items will be linked in the description box down below. Oh my god, it's packed. They just send the most. I love that. Ooh, there's a pink item right here that I just need to pull out first. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. And yes, I'll be trying everything on because you guys love that. That's something that you guys still love after all these years. Okay, two-piece outfits are my thing. This item that I'm wearing right now is a two-piece. I'm wearing sweats with it right now, but it does come with a little matching skirt. Literally, that's like my whole wardrobe is two-piece outfits. So this is so good for this summer. It's this pink sheer, very flowy shorts. So you can wear them like as I'm doing right now. You can separate them and wear them together separately. It's all just up to you. Okay, I have to show it on because you can't really show. It's this. Okay, it covers right here, the boobages right here, it covers, and then it's like flowy and open like this, so it kind of shows a little bit of stomach but flow and like stringy. I have to put it on, but this is like super Barbie movie vibe. If I see the Barbie, I kind of want to see the Barbie movie again, I'm not gonna lie, because I wasn't sure how I really felt about it. I feel like I need to see it again to really like solidify it, and I want to know Austin's opinions. So if I do, I'm probably gonna wear that because it's super extra. Okay, oh yup, here we go. Yup. Oh, and everything I got is in a medium pretty much. Some people care about sizes, some people don't. I think I got some things in a large. Yeah, I got this in a large because it is a romper and I have a big butt. If it is too big, then okay, because I have been losing weight with my healthy eating and my healthy lifestyle. So if they do look a little bit not fitting me right, that's why. This one is a medium. So I think I'm gonna tell you guys sizes just because I have a weight fluctuation right now. This one is a large. I love this. Jean on jean is super trendy right now. I have some jean boots that I want to wear with this. So there's pockets in the back, pockets in the front. This is so good for just like patio season, like on the deck. Very Brittany and Kevin. I hit myself, don't worry. Brittany and Justin vibes. Okay, we have another pink little item here. This one looks like a little booberific top, which I'm so excited for. Yes. Okay, this one's a medium, and it looks like this. Okay, this one is definitely sheer, so I might have to put some pasties on under it. So if you see if my nipples look weird, it's because I have pasties on. If they don't look weird, well, they might look weird even without pasties. I don't know, your opinion. This is like, oh, this is like a stripper shirt. I love it so much. This is me. This is my vibe right here with some white shorts or a white skirt. This is gonna look so cute, and I love the tie-up on the back. Oh my god. And this one was very, very affordable too, so love that. Love everything being like super Barbie. Let's go into, oh my god, there's so much. Let's do this shirt right here. Oh, and people always say like, you have so much clothes. I donate a lot, and I say that, and I don't say that to be like, I donate a lot. Like, I literally donate a lot. So I do need to go through a good thorough clean out of my closet though. This one is Shein Vacay, so this is exciting. This is another two-piece outfit. Oh my god, look at this. This reminds me of in the Barbie movie when they're rollerblading, like that outfit. So this is a t-shirt, and on the back it has this little string. It's cropped. This is so cute. And then the bottoms are this skirt. Like, bye. I love this. This is so cute, and I hope it looks cute on because it's really giving like Thorgy Thor, clown, retro Barbie. Next up, we have... Oh, so excited! This is my number one thing I'm most excited for. Like, literally, I put this as the top item. I was like, I literally need this, and if you don't want to work with me, I'll buy it myself. Like, so this is a, it says Wallen because I'm like, it's literally a Morgan Wallen shirt. It's not a Morgan Wallen shirt, but it's a Shein shirt, and it's a size large. This, honestly, I'm gonna say, oh, I guess it kind of looks like a large. I should have got an extra large because I wanted it like really oversized. That's the look I was going for, and I feel like with my boobs, this is like probably just gonna fit me as a regular t-shirt and maybe not look the best. So if you are ordering this and if you want it more baggy, I would advise like a size up. So I should have got an extra large, but I love the color, and I love that this isn't just like, it doesn't feel like it's gonna peel off right away. But yes, I am in my Morgan Wallen era right now, and we are living for it. Okay, and no, I'm not gonna be wearing that to the concert. I don't know what I'm gonna wear, but I'm gonna wear something super cute. Next up, we have some jean shorts. Actually, I was looking for jean shorts the other day to wear with an outfit, and they're all gone. They're probably somewhere in my like dirty pile of clothes, but I feel like I looked and they weren't there, but maybe I wasn't looking hard enough. Literally buy. So I got these because they were adorable. They're like these, it's almost like little ruffles that look like this with some distressed, and then they're also like, what is this? Like, not cropped. What is it called? I don't know. What? It's called something. Bestie. And then the back of them look like this. These are just like cute, and I got these. Oh, and there's a little elastic waistband. Ooh, I wonder if you're pregnant if you could wear those. I always think that with that, like, are they like multi? I got these in a size 28, so I don't know what size that is, but I hope they fit my booty. Okay, let's go into an orange item next. I feel like this is like super summery, like a creamsicle almost. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh yes, yes, yes. Sorry, you guys know I order so much that I'm like, sometimes I get surprised when I see it. So this one is Shein Sexy. Love that. This one is in a medium because this one to me looks really stretchy, so it's perfect. Look at this tie-dye vibe. Oh my god. And this material I love. I love, it's very forgiving. Whenever I see stuff with this material, I like gravitate towards it because whether I fluctuate in weight or not, it's like it literally hugs every curve. So this is beautiful, and with this type of material, I feel like I can, I'm short, so I can just like adjust it, like pull this up and make it like look wrinkly on the ankles, and it wouldn't matter because with this material it looks good if it is wrinkly. Me. So yes, that's very bright and summery and very like fair patio vibe. I feel like I'm saying that every 5 minutes. Okay, this is more of a classier item. Again, a two-piece. This is like something I'd wear out for dinner. This is in a medium as well. So these are the little shorts. So it's like a classy chic type thing. It does feel a little, I don't know, like, I don't know the material of this. Like, if it's stretchy, but I feel like that's just the band. I don't know what feeling that is. This is Shein Vacay as well. This is like something that you would like wear on like a cruise or something. I might need to wear a little thing under that. We'll see. But this is like, oh hi. I don't know if this color looks good on me. It's very like pumpkin spice. And whenever I wear this, I feel like I get washed out. Even though I'm tanned sometimes, I feel like it washes me out. But you guys be the judge of it on me here. Okay, I'm on another pink item. I'm literally loving everything pink right now. It's probably because of the Barbie movie. This one is a beautiful little tie-up shirt in this like baby satin silky pink, and you can tie it up, I just said that, with like a little white crop top on here, under here, like a white bralette. Some white skinny jeans would look cute with this as well. So I am living for this. We're sliving. Or you could just wear it all open and have like these falling down. I feel like the layering type look is is really coming back now. But don't take fashion advice from me. I just like clothes and I like my body and I like to wear clothes. And not wearing clothes. Okay, this is Samantha circa 2009 vibe, which is always me, but your girly needed this. I love zebra. Snooki will always be one of my idols, my fashion idols. Even if somebody tells me that's ugly or it's out of style, I'd be like, okay. Like, I love it so much. So, looks like this. This is definitely me. I cannot wait to wear this. I would literally wear this to a wedding. Like, I'd wear this to anywhere. And then it has a little peak of zebra down here. Zebra down here. I feel like this with like a big chunky pink belt and some tacky pink earrings would really bring that broho style out, right? And some like, oh my god, some like cute sparkly wedges or something. Oh, this is giving me everything. Okay, this one is giving Cruella, but it's very oddly shaped. Like, it's really, really loose here. Fits really good on this side, but it's really, like, there's this on here. I don't know if it's my body or if it's the dress, but it fits good everywhere else. It's nice and snug, but it's just this. I don't like this. What is this? Is this silver? Am I alien? What is this? What? I do not remember this. What the hell? This looks like a spacesuit. What? This... I feel like in sync or something like that. Like, I feel like I should be in a boy band. Is this a romper on top of it? No. Okay, no, it's not. Okay, no, it's a dress. I was like, that's a romper. What? I feel like this Halloween is literally 2 months away, bestie. We will see. Where am I gonna wear this? Literally, I have 3 weddings coming up. 1 this weekend and then 2 next month. So, should I wear this to one of the weddings and just like be full on, like, I could wear like little alien ears? A tinfoil hat? Should I? Oh my god, I need to try this on. This is like Spice Girl. This is like boy band, girl band, early 90s to me, and I kind of love it. Ooh, a little sexier one. Ooh. I think I could still try this on, and it's like a little corset shirt type thing. This would look cute with that like pink thing over top of it, or just like a little like anything over top of it. Like a cardigan even. You could like dress this down and still make it like a statement. This is so beautiful. The lace on here is really good quality. It's very like delicate, but not like, oh, it's a large. Good, because I need large for something like this. Oh no, my cat is eating it. He's like, he thinks I'm like, here. So this is so cute. Everyone needs a little black dress. Me, I'm like, you need a little sexy lingerie top to wear out in Walmart. Okay, let's do, this looks boring. I hope it's not boring. This is Shein Icon, because you guys watching me are iconic. Ooh, leggings. Okay, these are in a medium. They look like this, and they're like peekaboo, like sheer side. So it's like, hi, look at my hips, girl. Oh, and hi, look at my hips and my ankles. We're not fooling anyone. Like, look at that. I don't know why these remind me of Madonna. I don't know why. They kind of like remind me of like what she would work out in. I could work out in these, could I? No, they're not really workout material. They're like that like old school mom pant material, if you guys know what I'm trying to say. Like every grandma and old woman has like a pair of these pants, but these ones are like a sexy mama. They're like a sexy grandma, a gilf. Not me in my gilf era. Why is everything now black? I started out with like the super colorful stuff, and now we're just like getting all gloomy. Oh my god, this has a chain with it. Never mind, we're not gloomy at all. Oh my goodness, is this a... This looks like a headband. Who do I think I am here? Okay, this I think is a top. I got in a large. Okay, this goes here. We hope. What? What the hell is this? A thong? Girl. Oh, I know what this is. This is like for your one arm. Good thing I screenshot everything, because like I don't remember how to like put anything on. Like, and if I get it, I'm like, what? So I do screenshot everything. So yeah, one arm goes in and then something like this. It's gonna be sexy. So again, did I think I was a pop star? Like, who do I think I am ordering these kinds of things? Okay, another black and white outfit. Okay, this is giving that zebra thing, but calmed down version. Calm down, low down. Looks like this. It's like this double layered crop. Super cute. Looks like that. Woohoo! It's a really nice material. This one is a nice material. It's like a spandexy, slinky, and the leggings look like this. Oh, they're also like, hello, here's my right leg on display. KFC could never. Like, here's my right leg on display. You know they say like the right and left Twix bar? It's like, what side do you go for in the KFC bucket? The right or the left? What? Very stretchy waistband again. You can boomerang it. It actually kind of looks like a boomerang. Jojo C was shaking. Her sails go up. Just kidding. Okay, next. It's again this like pumpkin-y spice color. Are we shocked that it's another two-piece? No. I should show you the top first so you can get like the whole vibe of this. I have something like this in like a very fuzzy outfit, and I love this like almost like swimsuit material that Shein does. So I wanted this in this as well. Oh my god, this is so cute. I'm like contemplating wearing this today, but I really like this blue item. This is gonna be definitely in the next few days. You can tie that or leave it hang down. And then here are, this is like 70s. This is like 70s couch or curtains or something like that. Like, oh my god, they're like little like bell bottoms almost. Like we stan. Material like this doesn't make my butt look good. So just like, don't look at it like that. So it's like a burnt tangerine. Literally me in a tanning bed. 2 items left. Oh yeah, me in my motocross era. Mine looks like a heart. I'm like that, I'm the flag girl. Hey, I'm the flag me taking off my top. I love the material of this. This is so cute. It has style to it. And I can like show a little bit of cleavage with it too. And this one is again the Shein icon, because you're literally gonna be iconic in this as the race flag. Okay, so the very last item is, oh girl! Ooh, this one is a romper right here. Ooh, this is a sexy, oh my god, this is such a cute romper. This one is in a medium. This has shoulder pads in it. Okay, we see you. It's very, very ruche. And then there are there's where your legs go. Oh my god, I love rompers. I used to wear rompers all the time. I feel like they're kind of out of style now because I don't see people wearing it. I feel like people only wear like cropped t-shirts or like cropped tank tops and then like jean shorts. I feel like that's what people wear all the time now. And I'm like still sitting here in biker shorts and my tits out. Anyway, this is so freaking cute. I hope it fits me well because that is like a staple for the summer. And that was everything that I got from Shein this month, this time. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. For the girls that want it, hello. If you don't want it, then yeah, there'll be more videos in the future. And thank you again so much to Shein for sponsoring this video and for sending these items. I really appreciate it. And again, my coupon code right here, my new one, so you guys can go save extra money. And I hope you guys have a great day and you guys enjoyed this haul. And whatever you do today, remember to put a smile on your face, and you are worth it, and you are beautiful to the world. You are beautiful to me, and I want you to look in the mirror and see the beauty in yourself today, and just give yourself a little kiss and then wipe the mirror off, unless you give yourself an air kiss. I love you guys. Give it back. I caught it. Thank you. Bye.